What's up, guys? Welcome to the new Statistician YouTube channel, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the alpha level. So let's just dive right in. So what is that alpha level? Well, it's basically used for hypothesis testing. For example, the really simple case that's like super common in almost all textbooks. So like if you take the hypothesis, or the null hypothesis, that the means are equal versus the alternative hypothesis, that the means are not equal. So what exactly is the alpha level? So it's simply the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. Mathematically, in more mathy terms, it's basically that probability of rejecting HO given that it's actually true. Another word for it you might have heard, and it's basically mentioned all the time you learn about basic stats, is type 1 error rate. Alright, so let's look at some applications. So as the analyst, you get to decide and choose what alpha level you want to pick. So typically in applied stats, it's usually either 0.05, 0.01, or 0.10. 0.05 is really the most commonly used one, as you guys are pretty much all familiar with. Most stats packages have that as the default. 0.01 is usually used more whenever you want more accuracy, so more intense sort of analyses, sort of like maybe leaning towards precision when it comes to like surgery and things like surgery type research, stuff like that. And of course, 0.1 is used whenever you want to publish. Not really. There are some advantages to using 0.1 as an alpha level, specifically when it comes to things like power, which we'll have another video on for you guys to check out. And so really the decision that's made to decide on accepting or rejecting the null hypothesis, it really comes down to what your p-value is whenever you actually run a hypothesis testing procedure. So basically, as you guys all know, if the p-value is greater than alpha, then you basically accept the null hypothesis, or as some people like to say, fail to reject the null hypothesis. And if you do have a p-value less than that specified alpha here, then you can basically say, hey, the null is rejected. Really simple. So let's do a quick recap of it. It's used in hypothesis testing exclusively. So the alpha level is used in hypothesis testing exclusively. Its probability is something you get to specify in any analysis moving forward. And there's some common choices that are used most often: 0.05, 0.01, 0.2. And of course, its application in hypothesis testing comes from a direct comparison with p-values you get from the procedure. And so this is a really simple video on alpha level. Thanks for watching. Happy mining. If you guys like this and like some of the free content that we have downloaded for you and available on our link below, then come check us out and support us on Twitter, Facebook, and whatnot. Thanks.